Hey guys, it's your girl Monet Sharice and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be installing a closure wig for the very first time, and I'm really open to all constructive criticism, but please don't get in my comments trying to be rude because baby, I'm not the one nor the two, okay? Looking back, I see that it's a few things that I could have done differently. For one, I could have got a wig cap that was closer to my complexion because I feel like it would have saved me a lot of time. I also did the ball cap method using Ghost Bond glue because that's what I seen somebody on YouTube do. Yeah, I was struggling with this part right here. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I know that the glue is supposed to dry clear, but I feel like I was blow drying forever and I was getting nowhere. So I got really frustrated and impatient and just did not let it dry. But now I know I should not have done that, and I really got to trust the process. But I don't know, I feel like I made it work. I got a 5x5 22-inch closure wig with 180% density from AliPearl Hair, and I bought this with my own money. Like, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own coins. Like, I just had to put that in there so y'all can know. But I'm gonna stop all that talking and just let y'all see how my hair turned out. So enjoy. So this is how my hair turned out. I feel like I did really good for my first time. It's giving everything that it's supposed to give. Let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.